If I wanted to get better at this starting today, where would I begin?
Great question. Taking control of money begins when your brain shifts from automatic reactions to intentional decisions. And the key system behind that shift is executive control in the prefrontal cortex, which helps you plan, pause, and prioritize. So, if you train this system starting today, you can guide your financial future instead of letting impulses and algorithms guide it, so stay with me.
So, what does that actually mean?
1. Executive control means your brain's ability to pause, evaluate choices, and direct actions toward long-term goals. 2. In an AI-driven world where information, advertising, and opportunities arrive constantly, strong executive control becomes a critical life skill. 3. The people who lead and innovate are those who can guide their own thinking, and that skill grows stronger with practice.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. Number 1, when you pause before making a financial decision, the prefrontal cortex activates and strengthens planning circuits. Number 2, the amygdala may trigger emotional urgency while dopamine circuits push toward quick rewards, yet executive control can override both signals. Number 3, through neuroplasticity, the hippocampus records these thoughtful decisions and the default mode network gradually integrates them into your normal thinking patterns.
How does this show up in real life?
Great question. 1. At school, executive control helps you balance spending, studying, and planning for future goals instead of reacting to every distraction. 2. In friendships and stress, this system helps you stay calm when others make impulsive choices or when technology encourages instant spending. 3. In careers like AI engineer, doctor, psychiatrist, designer, policymaker, or entrepreneur, executive control supports strategy, innovation, and responsible decision-making.
So, small equals big?
Yes. 1. Each thoughtful decision is like strengthening a mental muscle that grows stronger through repetition. 2. Repeated self-control builds neural pathways like tending a garden that gradually becomes strong and productive. 3. Over time, this brain wiring becomes disciplined character, and disciplined character becomes career strength in the AI economy.
So, how do I start?
Step 1. Pause before any financial decision and ask yourself one clear question: is this helping my future? While imagining your prefrontal cortex guiding the choice. Step 2. Notice emotional reactions such as excitement or pressure and picture your amygdala calming as awareness grows. Step 3. Practice one intentional decision daily, and remember the hook: small choices strengthen executive control.
What should we do today?
1. Make one thoughtful financial decision today instead of reacting automatically. 2. Explain your reasoning to a parent or trusted adult to strengthen your understanding and memory pathways. 3. Repeat this micro habit for 1 week and observe how your confidence and clarity increase. Remember, control begins with one conscious choice. Through neuroplasticity, repeated thoughtful actions strengthen your brain's executive systems. In the AI age, the people who guide their thinking will guide their future. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.